Hey, Kenny, do you have change for 20?
Bruh. I figured it out.
I live here. I ain't got no damn money.
You don't want to get out?
Oh, you got your face on.
You did? Already? How you doing? You doing all right?
Doing pretty good.
That's good. That's good.
How much you got on this?
$5. There's...
What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. I'm gonna kind of narrate this video a little bit, so I'm gonna pop in and pop out. Those boots you see me picked up, they was Connor picked up. Pick up those boots you see me pick up. I don't know why I put the ED on there. It was Connor boots, and they usually do pretty good. And then, you know, there's good ones and there's bad ones. And she said those was ostrich. I couldn't really find a comp on eBay. They was probably great boots because they was older. But for some reason, I left them behind. You know, I had the kids with me. I think I forgot. Me and her got to talking and I just forgot to pick them up. But I probably left a lot of money on the table right there.
Boy, I'll tell you, when men come through and they're, I guess they're jewelry in the jewelry sales or whatever, they just go
real crazy like.
Oh my goodness. I was like, okay. I'm like, I don't have time to do anything.
Right, tell me about it. They all in you like, what you got, what you got, what you got? Move out my way.
Yeah, that's film.
Film, yeah, I remember. Yeah. Can't film that. How much you want for that?
$1.
Okay. So
this time I have a flash and I'm like, my mom had so much stuff.
Can you break a 20? I'm
yes,
sorry, I
can.
came unprepared this morning.
I came unprepared.
They know how it
if
is.
you have daughters or nieces, whatever, and they have dolls, these are doll stands.
Okay.
These are doll stands.
I ain't never seen nothing like those before.
Yeah, my daughter was like, when we went to go get my mom, she's like, oh, I just bought a bunch of these.
Unfortunately, I got 3 boys. Yeah. No girls, so they definitely don't need that.
Let me see. Oh, let me get this out. Yeah, I didn't think anybody's gonna want this because that's like for cassettes.
You never know. You never know.
These
those
are
old
girls' clothes. I have
my mom still has
I got 4
cassettes.
sweater. That's about it. This guy's garbage.
I'm gonna get these 2. How much? Well, let me see.
Just $1 for the whole thing.
Oh, I appreciate it. It sounds kind of sketchy. No one's here. Stuff is covered up. I'm not in the right neighborhood, but we're gonna see what's up. All right. What you think? I'm not knocking on no doors. If I don't see nobody, I'm making a U-turn. Ain't that what think we should do? Think we should make a U-turn?
I don't know.
You always hungry. Let's see. I don't think nobody's there. I think they're out cutting the grass. Hold up, let's see. Yeah, this is kind of sketchy. Let's get out of here. Here goes somebody. Here goes somebody. Yeah, hello. How you doing? Yours? You having a garage sale? You having a garage sale? You having a garage sale?
Oh, come on, man.
Are you having a garage sale? Oh, last week. Oh, okay, thank you. I appreciate it. He got signs up everywhere. I went to the sale right here, and the sale ended up being the previous week. Now, this guy had signs going off the main road, going everywhere. I mean, leading everybody to his house. Even had a sign still right in front of his house. So I'm like, if your sale was last week, why you still got all these signs up, including the one in front of your house? And he still had tables set up with stuff on them. So I'm like, bruh, I bet you he got a lot of people coming to his house this week. Left behind. Y'all read that? All right, I left a lot of money on the table right here, y'all. Those left behind books, I didn't ask her how much she wanted for them. She could have wanted a lot for them, who knows? But I have a lot of books here that I haven't went through. I got a lot of books I should need to scan to see how much they're worth and stuff at my office. I'm in my office right now. So when I see books, I tend to go right past them because I got a lot to do here. But this right here is sets, and sets you usually want to get because if you can sell them all together and you have every single one, you can make some good money. I looked up this set, of course, while I was editing this video. Whoever edits video, don't do it. Don't look up stuff after the fact. If you didn't get it, don't look it up because you're going to make yourself mad. And that's what I did. I made myself mad. This set right here goes for like between $150 to $170.
Bruh.
And I left it right there. It's just sitting there. That before? That book? Look at that. Sports Illustrated.
So, I don't have any change.
Is it Michael Jackson?
Yeah. This set right here only goes for about $15. The last comp I seen was $15.99, and they took a best offer, so I'm guessing they took about a $10 offer. If it was brand new, $35, something like that, so I left it behind. See some books I like? See some books? See some books you like over there?
A Michael Jackson one.
Huh?
A Michael Jackson one.
Michael Jackson book?
Hey, buddy, come here a minute.
Come here.
Yeah, the big, tallest one there.
Oh,
Look
okay.
at this.
It's pretty cool, ain't it? It's pretty cool.
I don't know whether it works or not. I don't have a charger.
Oh, really?
But,
They got two of them like it at home.
a good scooter.
I think I told y'all a couple videos ago that I do this part-time, so I tend to pass up a lot of stuff. Sometimes I just don't know what it is, but mainly because I just don't need the inventory sometimes. And if it's an item that sells between $15 and $20 and I'm buying it for $5, I'm gonna leave that one back because the profit just ain't there. I want to look for the bigger profit margin items. You understand? Because I do this part-time and I can wait for it to sell, mainly. On this table that I'm about to go to, where you see all these puzzles and stuff like that, a lot of that stuff was listed where they were selling it for $5, but it was selling between $15 to $20 on eBay. So there's just stuff that I don't want right now. Now, don't get me wrong. If I need inventory or I'm pressed, I'm gonna pick that stuff up. Don't get me wrong. A profit's a profit, right? But I don't need it right now, so I'm real picky at what I get.
Lady had it. Her husband bought it. They lived in a patio home.
Okay.
And she said all he ever done was go out there and ride around in circles in the park.
Oh, really? That's all. That's the only word in the got.
But she couldn't find that little thing you plug in the charger.
Oh, okay.
We have a charger, Daddy.
Just off the
Not
little
not to that
battery
one, Devil.
table.
Sure.
Bruh.
And I don't know where to get a charger for it.
Probably can get one online. Online somewhere, I'm sure. They have a bunch of scooters and
Our scooters are wood.
yeah, it's a Swin, ain't it?
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Now here, let me show some.
Oh, look at him. I don't think y'all watched that. I'm gonna have to let y'all watch that. That's a good show. Good movie.
He's
And
looking
what
at
she
me.
say she wanted for that black thing?
I didn't get into that. But I told him the price, but he,
What?
What are those? Pencils?
Pencil, yeah.
if that thing is worth it. Because it's numbered and it was in the 70s, yeah.
Oh, okay, 5 for this one. Okay, what about that one right there?
5 for that.
Okay, those are pretty nice.
My granddaughter loves school,
Uh huh.
but my grandson, Do you like school? No. What are you, about 8?
Yeah, you get it right on the. You hit it right on the dot. Yeah. That's,
I hate homework.
You hate what?
You know what? I'm
Yeah,
against
change.
homework, you know? I am. I sit, ooh, I don't think I do that.
Oh, you don't?
Because that's going to take all my ones. You
Yeah, I don't want to do
anything
that. Let me
smaller.
see.
Hey, Kenny, do you have change for 20?
Bruh.
Don't lie.
I'll figure it out.
I live here. I ain't got no damn money.
Bruh.
So you trying to get some, ain't you?
Cussing in front of the kids. I swear he does.
Oh, that's all right.
Not what I want.
What about for this?
How about $1?
That'll work for me. I'm giving it right back to you, ain't it? I think I got a loose dollar in here somewhere. There we go.
And what school do they go to?
Ramsey and Farmer. So they right about off Bardstown Road right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not from over here.
Ah, okay.
That's my sister's house.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So you out here doing all this for them? For them?
No, for me.
For you?
I'm using their yard. I'm selling for different people.
Oh, here's another one that I messed up on. I don't know everything, and I'm sure some of the people watching this video probably know this brand, but this wine glass box that I just picked up, what's it called? I'm looking at it right now. Hold up. Riddle, whatever. It's the tumbler type. There was 4 in there. I'm guessing they knew because they were still in the plastic. And those go for about, I think when I looked it up, maybe $50, $60, something like that. Brand new. It's just another one that I messed up on. Now, I didn't have no price tag on it. Hell, she could have wanted $20, $30 for it. I don't know. But it's something that I should have looked into. Here lately, I haven't been looking a lot of stuff up. I just been kind of going with my gut. And it's going pretty good, to tell you the truth. I get in, I get out. My sons actually had orientation. It was right up the street, so I was kind of rushing anyway. And usually something like that I would look up because I know certain wine glasses do pretty good, but I just took a gut and just put it back down, you know. So
That's comfortable, isn't it?
some little readers.
And you look good in it.
All right, let me get you out of school. I appreciate it.
Thank you
I
very
didn't
much.
look out, no
Him to
problem.
school. I don't got no school.
I'll wear him to school. How about that?
Yeah, mine's Monday.
Yeah, yours is Monday. We go back. I gotta come back Monday. All right, let's go, yeah. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
I actually went to a number of your sales this weekend, man. I probably went to maybe 10, and a lot of them didn't have nothing, you know. Sometimes I know you guys get in a such situation. If you knew that the your sales that you was gonna go to in the future wasn't gonna have that much stuff, you probably would have bought or took some chances on certain things that you seen previous that day, you know. But you just never know, and that's kind of what was my situation that day. I only picked up a couple things, but I'm gonna show you those later because they at home. Today's Tuesday. I got a couple things going out. I actually had a big shipment day yesterday, which is coming off the weekend of Monday. I actually had, I think, 30 things go out, which was great. I'm glad I had a good weekend. So yesterday I only sold 6 things, but that's actually good for me on a Tuesday. And let's look at some of them because I haven't did this in a while, and I know a lot of y'all just kind of want to see what stuff is going for and what type of things that I do sell. I had some shorts go out, and these actually was a great sale. These actually sold over on Grailed website. These right here sold for $81 plus shipping over there. I sold some bug. I'll show you what type of stuff I sell. Some Harris Roach tablets. I actually spent 13 cents on these, and these sold for $8.99. I've been having these for a while. This is actually the last box. I guess these Harris ones do pretty good because people really want these, even though the box, the condition of the box is kind of messed up. These, I guess, get rid of the roaches. Sold this Mario Kart over on Facebook Marketplace. Sorry, this sold on eBay. This sold on Facebook Marketplace. I think this sold for $27. I'll put the comp on the screen. It has no manual, and I actually got these for $1. I got this at a yard sale along with some other. I think about 5 games, and if 5 games are $5, and of course everybody knows Mario does great. So anytime you see any type of Mario game, get it. Sold this hat, and I sold this to a guy named Cal that I kind of go back and forth with over on YouTube. Shout out to Cal, man. He said he watches the content. He left me a nice little message. I'm not gonna read it verbatim, but he actually wants me to sign this, man, and it's crazy, man. It makes me feel, I don't know how to feel about that, man. Thanks, man. I'm gonna go ahead and sign it. I guess I can sign, do you want me to sign Tesla Picker? I guess I can sign Tesla Picker and put Dave on her too, but shout out to him, man. He loves the content. I don't like to call him fans because I don't have no fans. I have friends, I guess. He's a friend of the show. I guess you can call it a show. And yeah, man, I appreciate you buying this, man, and it makes me want to put out more content when people say stuff like that. So shout out to Cal. So some Jordans. These right here are size 13. Actually, you know, not in too good of a shape, but you know, of course, Jordan sale. I got these for $5 at a yard sale along with, I think, about 10 pairs of shoes that day for $50. And these right here, I put the comp on the screen. I believe they sold for $49, $49.99 plus shipping. And they're gonna go right in this shipping tube box from Priority that you can get for free. And so it'll be a great, easy ship. And last, I sold this bass tracker. This right here sold for $12.99 plus shipping. Great sale on this little bitty patch. And I got this from an estate sale a little while back. So yeah, these patches, y'all already know I'm great with the patches. Usually military patches, but I got a couple fishing patches too, and they do very good. Back at home, just want to show you these few things that I got. I actually got a camcorder that's not here that I want to show you on a separate video because it's a cool camcorder, hoard case, all that good stuff. But it's in my other car, so, and that car's not here. Anyway, a few things that I got here. Let's start here. I got this Hallmark snow globe. Of course, you guys know snow globes do good. Plus, this is Disney as well. I put the comp on the screen because I forgot exactly how much it sold for. Along at the other sale, I got another snow globe. I can't find this exact one, but it plays "We Wish You a Merry Christmas," and it's pretty nice, pretty heavy. So I'm gonna do some more research and see if I can find the exact one and see exactly how much it goes for. It's bigger than this one. I believe this one was going, I don't know, y'all seen the comp. And at that same sale, I bought this pot. Now, this is a Fire King pot. It's a casserole dish. I took a chance on it. I know Fire King does pretty good. I just seen one sale for $32, but that was free shipping. So this is gonna cost about $10 to ship. So, you know, it's about a nice $20 item. I only paid $1 for it, so pretty good. But I need to start looking better. Look at that. It's like a little, I don't know what that is. A little crack, a little whatever. So I might not get that much for it. That first sale that I went to, got this film, which old film does good. If you ever see film sealed, get it, because it sells like crazy. I believe this one right here was going for about $30. And this right here was going for nothing. I seen a comp that did the sale, and it said $7.20. I just picked it up because it looked nice, it looked interesting. Maybe my wife will wear it or something, I don't know. But it was only, these two together was $1, so I picked it up. And that's it. Like I said, I got that camera that I'll show you on another video because it's pretty nice and I probably do pretty good. You're not gonna always do good every weekend, all right? It was kind of a gloomy weekend a little bit. Ended up being gloomy later on. And my kids had stuff they had to do. It was actually a Friday. So with all that being said, that's it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.